Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. My name is Kim Williams, and I just wanted to get on here and give a huge shout out and my testimonial and review on the Partner with Anthony program. Anthony Morrison has been around the online space for quite a number of years, and I'm sure anybody who's been online has heard of him. Anyone who's tried to build a business online must have heard of this guy. So he has some credibility. He has a background. He knows what he's talking about. He has created a bunch of different educational programs, online educational digital programs that have been around for quite a long time. But this is his newest offering, I'm thinking. This is the newest offering called Partner with Anthony. As it says, he is wanting you to come along and work with him. And he does the work. He really does. He is the one giving all of the educational videos. He's telling you how this thing works. I'll do a quick, this first video here, session 1. There you go. He's welcoming you. He is the man. He is there in person. The program basically consists of 30 sessions. Here you can see we go all the way down to number 30. And each one is available for you within a 24-hour window. So you get one every day. And as long as you listen to what he's telling you, take action on what he's telling you, and follow the steps, then I can tell you it works. It absolutely works. I joined this about 2 weeks ago. So I'm about session 14 or 15 right now. And I followed the steps. I was patient. I mean, it's very tempting to want to jump into this, especially if you've been around this space for a while, to try and fast forward all of this. But I can tell you, follow the steps, be patient, and let him tell you what to do. When I put my first ad out using his actual fast traffic source that is through this back office, I got my first sale within 12 hours and the second within another 4 hours after that. And it's just moving forward from there on in. So I can tell you it absolutely does work. And in fact, I can show you. I will give you a quick view. I'm not blocking anything out here, so I'm just going to show you guys. And there we go. That's me logging in. Here is my affiliate dashboard. I'm going down to Partner with Anthony. Here are my commissions. And I want a date range. Let's do this week. Run the report, and as you can see, oh no, that will be last week, and let's go back last 7 days. Here we go. Run the report. Okay, I have 2 commissions, and I'm going to go jump back out of there because I don't want you stealing my information. But however, you can see it absolutely does work. So it is a measly $7 to join, and which is monthly. But hey, when you're making $7 straight off the bat, I've covered my month already and moving forward rapidly. So get in there, hit the button and pay your $7, and I tell you, you will not be sorry. I've been around here in this online space for a little while, and I've seen a lot of educational programs, or those that claim to be, but this one is absolutely the best I've seen in a long, long time. If you're new starting out, he paints this out as a step by step. For us that have been around a little while, yes, it's very slow and a little laborious at times because you may know a lot of the stuff he's talking about, but he puts it all together in such a way that it makes sense. And if you follow it step by step, it will work for you. I absolutely promise you that. So there is my review. I can't tell you how excited I am that this is working so quickly, and I'd just love for you to come join me. So I have left a link down here underneath this video somewhere in the description that that if you just click that, you can go to the sales page, and you can you'll find another video. Anthony will promote the program himself and tell you much more about it. And I just say get in, go take a look, and do what the man says. So I'm just going to leave you with those thoughts. Don't waste time. Don't waste your money anywhere else. Click that link down below this video, and I will see you sometime on the other side. All right, take care and bye for now.